The biggest upgrade in a garage isn't a tool, it's the environment. Drywall, smart controls, and climate management, turning a dusty space into a professional lab. Learn how a simple redesign multiplied productivity and save costs for the Tech House team and open doors to new projects within months in record time. You see a garage. You see a launch pad. The Tech House team turned a plain concrete room into a high-leverage workshop. They started with walls, not tools. First, the old garage door opener was moved to the opposite wall and replaced with a belt-driven unit that is quieter and smoother. The new opener even connects directly to a smart hub, so you can open the door from your phone or set a schedule. Next, the whole space was sealed with drywall, turning a dusty yard into a clean, insulated room. That change alone cuts down on airborne debris that can damage electronics and makes the air feel less oppressive. By investing $500 in climate and layout before buying a 3D printer, the team gained exponential comfort. A tidy, controlled environment sets the pace for any maker or developer, turning scattered effort into focused execution. This foundation also boosts morale and reduces the cognitive load of each task. Tools change over time. A fixed shelf that holds a saw 1 year can become useless when you switch to a small electronics bench. The Tech House team chose a 9-piece modular cabinet system. When the original shipment failed, they swapped in a similar line from Seville Classic, showing that the design, not the brand, matters. Modularity lets you add or remove drawers, extend wall space, or reconfigure the layout without tearing drywall. It also protects your investment because you can repurpose the same frames for a future workshop, a garage office, or a hobby room. The real benefit is that it keeps the space open to new needs. A maker who starts with a power tool shed can later grow into a prototype lab without buying a new floor plan. By planning for change, you avoid costly renovations and keep your workspace aligned with your evolving goals. It also simplifies inventory tracking and maintenance scheduling daily. Smart technology is often seen as a luxury, but the Tech House team turned it into a productivity engine. Their new garage door opener uses Genie Aladdin Connect, which eliminates the need for a separate hub. From a phone, you can open the door, schedule ventilation, or share access with a contractor. The real power lies in automating the small, repetitive tasks that eat up time. Imagine a sensor that turns on the misting fan when the room temperature hits 30 degrees Celsius or a light that brightens when you step onto the workbench. These routines remove decision fatigue. In a maker environment, where focus is scarce, such conveniences translate into fewer interruptions and more consistency. The cost of a smart plug or two is minimal compared with the cumulative hours saved. Over the life of a workshop, that small investment pays back in productivity and quality. It also ensures safety by monitoring temperature and humidity levels continuously. Heat is more than discomfort. It throttles precision. The Tech House team used Dryo evaporative misting fans, a low-cost solution that cools a garage without an AC unit. The fans circulate a fine mist, dropping the ambient temperature by up to 8 degrees. When a room exceeds 30 degrees Celsius, the system kicks in automatically, preventing the dreaded heat haze that blurs optics and slows manual measurements. Cold, dry air can also damage sensitive electronics, so maintaining a stable 20 to 22 degrees Celsius range is critical for both human comfort and equipment longevity. In colder months, a simple space heater with a smart plug keeps the bench warm, allowing work to continue regardless of weather. By investing in climate control early, the team avoided costly delays, reduced material degradation, and improved mental focus. A well-regulated environment is a silent ally that turns an ordinary garage into a professional laboratory. It also reduces the need for emergency repairs during peak usage period. When designing a space, you often think of the next project. The Tech House team broke that habit and imagined a year from now. They left 30% of the floor plan open, ready for a workbench, a power strip grid, or new tool rack. This foresight means the room can morph from renovation support to a full-blown maker hub without a second renovation. They also installed ceiling-mounted power drops that can accommodate up to 200 watts per outlet, ensuring the space can handle a CNC machine or a soldering station later. This kind of future-proofing is more than a comfort. It protects the investment by giving the owner flexibility to pivot as interests evolve. For anyone planning a workshop, visualize the next 12 months and carve out that extra slack. It pays dividends when a new idea takes root, and it keeps the workshop from becoming a memory of a one-time project for future projects. Even with careful planning, small oversights can derail progress. The Tech House team learned that buying the cheapest tools leads to frequent replacements, which erodes budget over time. A mid-range drill, for example, can last years, while a budget model might need replacing every 6 months. Dust is another silent saboteur. When drywall is sealed but ventilation is inadequate, fine particles settle on circuit boards, causing shorts. The team added air filters to trap dust before it reaches sensitive components. Overloading shelves is also risky. A 90 kg weight on a 50 kg rated rack will sag and collapse. They use the manufacturer's specifications to choose the right frames. These small decisions generate second-order benefits: increased safety, longer tool life, and a cleaner work environment that boosts creativity. Avoiding these pitfalls means the workshop becomes a reliable foundation for future projects. They also invested in a proper lighting system to reduce eye strain and improve detail work precision. Next, explore how modular storage can evolve with projects while keeping the workshop flexible and future-ready. Stay tuned for deeper insights into the economics of makerspace design with clear budgeting strategies and future-proofing insights and practical tips for scaling cost-effectively.